Doc, paano po kaya ito makakatulong sa ating po mga kababayan? Siyempre po, excited po malaman po ng ating mga kababayan paano po, bakit ito po yung napili ninyong pag-aralan and of course, paano ito makakatulong sa ating po mga kababayan?
So yung first na sabi ko about glycobiology talaga, it's understudied, no? Especially in the Philippines. Sir Reggie, narinig niyo na ba before yung glycobiology na research topic sa Philippines?
Mm, 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 mm.
Parang wala pa po, di ba? So it's really understudied. And because of that, I think it opens up a huge opportunity for Filipinos to be the leaders talaga, to be discoverers. Kasi we can then use glycobiology to study Filipino diseases, you know. We can use glycobiology to look for local sustainable treatment options sa mga diseases na nag-affect ng humans, ng plants, or ng animals in the context talaga of the Philippines. So what I was talking about earlier, pwede natin ma-apply yung glycobiology sa snake bites, especially sa Leyte, yung mga important talaga na issue sa Leyte,
Mm,
rabies, schistosomiasis, mga endemic yun na sakit dito sa Leyte, di ba?
mm,
And glycobiology can be really helpful in finding solutions to this either through antivenom, antibodies, or even mga vaccine strategies. So
mm,
yan yung unang-unang reason or parang importance of studying glycobiology and how it can help here sa Leyte.
mm,
And then another thing, what I was talking about na understudied tayo. So kung ipupush talaga natin to at meron tayong funding and we have more scientists studying glycobiology, may chance talaga na yung Filipinos can be a leader in this field sa
mm,
Asia. 'Di ba?
mm,
Kasi understudied yung Philippine context of glycobiology eh.
mm,
So, we really hope na initiatives like this na, for example, ini-explain yung glycobiology sa media, maka-inspire tayo ng more Filipinos to take up the field and to use it in application sa health sciences sa Philippines. And also, we can inspire our local government and local investors to invest in the field para talagang ma-power through natin at makita natin yung mga product, makaproduce tayo ng products talaga for
mm.
therapy and for health.
Opo. And I agree with that, ma'am. Lagi ko pong sinasabi, mga tulad po ninyong mga nagsasaliksik at na unti-unti pong nakikilala sa larang ito na mas mainam talaga na mapopondohan, matutulungan ng ating pamahalaan yung mga kabataan, lalong-lalo na may interest dito pero walang masyadong kakayahan, pinansyal, mas mainam din po na may suporta galing po sa ating pamahalaan para po mapursige po ito, ma'am.